Sharks are older than trees. They swam the oceans before forests even existed. Wombats are the only animals in the world that naturally produce cube-shaped poop. That fluffy white cloud above you looks light, but it actually weighs over 1 million pounds. Humans technically glow in the dark, but the light is too weak for our eyes to see. Cleopatra lived closer in time to the moon landing than to the building of the Great Pyramid. Cows have best friends, and they actually get stressed when they are separated. Butterflies taste their food by standing on it with their feet. Space is completely silent because there is no air to carry sound waves. A blue whale's heart is massive. It's the size of a small car. Sloths can hold their breath longer than dolphins, up to 40 minutes. The national animal of Scotland is not a sheep or a cow. It's actually the unicorn. The T-Rex lived closer in time to humans than it did to the Stegosaurus. The Eiffel Tower grows 6 inches taller in the summer because the heat expands the iron. Believe it or not, the cigarette lighter was invented before the match. Flamingos aren't born pink. They turn that color from eating shrimp. The moon shrinks like a raisin and has moonquakes as it cools down. Koala fingerprints are so similar to humans that they have confused crime scene investigators. Sea otters hold hands while they sleep so they don't drift apart. The Dead Sea is so salty that you can float on it without even trying. Stay curious and subscribe for more amazing facts.